Hi, I'm Rosy King from Corporate Training Options, and today I'd like to share a quick tip with you on using Microsoft Teams and how to invite guests from outside of your organisation to a Microsoft Teams meeting. We have run into this problem ourselves with our trainers when we're running training meetings for the first time with our clients who haven't perhaps joined a Microsoft Teams meeting before. So here's a really quick way of getting around that. I'll just share my screen with you. Okay, I'm in Microsoft Teams and I'm in the calendar section. And what I've done is I've set up a meeting to show you how to demonstrate this tip for you. So I'm just going to go into the meeting and you can see here, I'm trying to invite someone with a Gmail account. So a guest who's outside the Microsoft 365 tenant that belongs to our organization. They're having trouble getting into the meeting. So what I can do is I can scroll down into the body of the meeting screen and take a copy of this link that says join the Microsoft Teams meeting and copy and paste it into an email and send it to them. So I've done that here and I've now received my link in an email and I simply click on it. There we go. And it will open up and there I am able to now join the meeting. Now you will find that if your guests haven't used Microsoft Teams before, as part of that step, they may receive a request to either download the Microsoft Teams app or join via the web. And once they choose which way to go and click on the link, they can quite happily join your meeting. So I hope you found today's Microsoft Teams meeting tip useful and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.